go. Okay, hello guys. Today I'm gonna play an obby. Cringy Roblox obby. Man, so much cringe. Because Roblox is cringy. This is so easy. I used to play this when I was in kindergarten.
Guys, wait for me.
I probably did.
Wait for me. Guys, wait for me.
Whoa.
There's a glitch in my phone.
Guys,
Guys, just wait for me.
No, dang. Didn't you just see I finished it?
Me?
I'm talking to this dumb server. This is easier than the thing before. How? Okay,
No, there's a glitch in my
that's
phone.
good. That's good. I'm obviously demonstrating that I'm extremely bad at this game. So people can know I don't waste my lifetime on this.
What the? I jumped! I can speedrun this. I can speedrun this too, but it's just these
I cannot speedrun. First, I am Stus. Benjamin is Franklinus. Shakespeare. Man, Superman looks creepy. Why do you explain this again?
Yeah.
I remember I saw an article on the Spanish channel about how this game is dangerous. Yes.
Ready? I'm gonna go fix this. Ready?
You know, just get out of the way. What's up here? Someone cheat dead trends. Dead memes. Ha. Hoo-ha. Oh, no, this one.
Oh my god!
Speed 1. Dang it, this isn't Mario 64. World record, Mario 64. I'm in last place. Watch out, I stab. I don't even know where you are. Ha. Max friends in my
Oh my god!
I hate this game. The game is so glitchy. I'm not surprised. It was probably made by somebody in Microsoft.
It's great, it's great. It's great. You should listen to me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yellow, yellow, gray, gray. Dang it, it's yellow, yellow.
Wait, hold up.
Yellow,
This
yellow.
one might be gray. No, it's not gray.
Gray, yellow.
Almost did it. It's yellow, yellow,
Gray.
gray, yellow.
Okay. I know the pattern. It's double yellow, then one gray,
Dang it.
then double yellow. Oh, so predictable.
I did it.
And then another gray.
What? What?
How? So there's only one gray. It's only one gray.
I'm gonna win the race. Only one gray.
Yeah, only one gray.
What the? This is glitch.
Ooh. Look at my dad.
I'm gonna win the race.
Look at my dad. Someone just texted me. Wow, that's the first time it ever happened.
Oh shoot, this one's hard.
Run. Jump, you jump. Come on, Prancer. Yes, Prancer. And that those look like those Spanish rip-off things of those look like those bouncy castles at like the carnival played by Spanish. Like, it's green. Yes.
What?
Yellow.
Let me see. Wait, it's snowing?
It's snowing! Finally! On Feliz Navidad. And it's green. And then it's blue.
It's snowing where? Oh, it is?
Wall jump. It's not Falco.
It's not even.
One moment combination. Oh, I don't care. I'm my own person. I need to fail more so people don't think I play this game that much. Because I don't.
Now I know why you guys picked this. Why you guys picked this one?
What?
I'm honestly good at parkour.
I picked this one so I could fail a lot.
Why?
Fails are funny.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, fails are so funny. Have you ever seen a video where someone fails a lot? Those videos are hilarious.
And then they rage so hard.
OMG, yeah. Like a parent's kid who doesn't do their homework. I'm never gonna get past this level. Finally. Oh yes. Let's go, Rubik's Cubes. Ha. Have you guys seen Into the Spideyverse yet? just said dies.
Yeah,
How? Really? I just said dies. Aaron Gordon. Yeah, but like, what if he does though? Oh, really? Then I guess it's a bad movie. Spoiler alert. What's up, Drama Nation? It's Killer Keemstar. Dang it! How many minutes have I recorded for? Oh, 5 minutes. I still have like 7 minutes left. Ha, hoo, ha. Let's go. Oh snap! This is so easy. Ha, hoo, ah. What the heck was that? I'm on these purple blocks in yellow. I don't know how you know that, but whatever. But go, dodge it. Oh, I didn't see that. Stage 21. Where are you guys? Dang, you guys are ahead of me.
Yeah, we're good at parkour. And you're being beaten by a kid that's using mobile.
I'm just really bad at parkour, okay? Oh, dang it.
Computer should be easy.
The game keeps glitching on me. Oh, wow.
Me too.
Oh, you have to bounce on the purple blocks. That's why. They have to bounce on the yellow things.
They're trying to trick
Ugh. I died again. How many times am I gonna see myself die? I didn't think Roblox is this hard. Oh, hole in the wall. No, well, wrong game. Punch out, right? No, that's a video game. Wipe out. No. Hole in the wall. Dang it. Okay, so now I learned my lesson. You have to jump at the tip of the walls. At the cherries. Red. Where's my room? Okay, now on SpongeBob. Finally. Yeah, you have to restart. Look at the ice step. Okay, it's the blue one. It was the blue one. I was right. Always trust your priorities, kids. Yeah, I feel so bad for you. And you were saying, well, yeah, you're such a sucky dude. Wow, Sergio, so rude.
How am I supposed to get past this?
That was the easiest stage ever. Stage 29 is so easy. You just have to climb stairs. I'm climbing a noob.
Look at that.
Markiplier's live stream. Make a wish.
Wrong signal.
I mean, he actually did do that once.
Okay, I'm almost in level 2. How am I gonna get past this one? This one's hard. It's not parkour, it's stairs. No, it's not stairs, sorry, it's ladders.
Oh no, not ladders. Oh, ladders aren't that bad. I'm pretty good at ladders.
Blocking the way.
Fox is stressing.
In some reasons, not all games are stressful.
What is this? Minecraft story mode?
No.
This is Song Game Rose. This is my brightness. Go, jump.
What?
Oh, no! What the? No! I can do that all over again. Are you kidding me? Freak. I jumped and I thought I had to land somewhere and I missed it. Man, I'm so incompetent. If I can't be decent at Roblox, then what am I even good at? This game is made for like 5-year-olds.
No, it's supposed to be made for like... Wait, check your recording.
Really? Yeah,
not too young children. Not even gonna know how to play this game.
No, I don't.
5-year-olds have phones? 5-year-olds have computers?
7. They have iPads.
You can't play.
Don't lie.
Oh yeah, you can. It's really hard.
My friend plays it like that.
Everyone says it's so...
How many minutes? Okay, I have. Okay, guys, so I might have to end this soon.
Why?
Great.
What happened?
Keep dying. Pa. Boop pa.
I'm gonna win the race if this video ends.
Yeah, this video is about to end.
Yeah, that's it. I win the race. Yeah. What level are you on, Christopher?
32.
I'm on level 20. I'm on level 51. You see, I'm on the lead. I'm on level 21. You see, I'm on top. I'm on top of the leaderboard on the game.
Whatever.
Die.
Dang it, these buttons are so dumb!
Yeah.
What is that? Why did I go down?
I'm on the SpongeBob level.
Yeah.
Stop, let's sing it. It's copyright. I don't care, it's not even mine.
This is from like the Attack on Titan thing level.
Yeah, exactly. It's copyright.
Attack on Titan. Hey, remember Titan game rule?
Unless she was so cute.
It was a boy. He popped your ball. It was just a little dot. It was a little dot. Oh no! He ate everything. He ate trash. Yeah, he popped his ball. That was so funny. Remember when we came back from the carnival? Remember when he came back from the carnival and he got into everything?
What?
He got into the garbage can. Okay, guys, that's enough for today. See you later. I don't have an intro, so see you guys later.
Yes, you said Captain Falcon that like button.
That's when I was 7.
No, what? You're 7 when you do YouTube?
No, just get out.
You're 7? What are you talking
Okay, guys,
about?
see you later.
Why you say get out? We're in the same
Flamethrower, the subscribe button, and throw my channel in the trash can. Bye.
What? I win the race.